bright like a diamond on your Wednesday. Pattern continues this week. We've seen Monday and Tuesday, both with really images just like this coming through on the Helena Sky Cam here at the station. So continuing today, we'll see sunshine right on your Wednesday and onward throughout the rest of your week. Going to see that sunshine as well. Not going to see much moisture this week here in Helena. Actually seeing calm conditions across the state. Quickly to review yesterday, you remember you saw that low pressure system spinning up to the northeast of the state, moved off to the east and took the cold front like so along with it. But down to our south and west, we are seeing a few new shades here. This gray shade showing up on our watches and warnings map for the first time in a while. This for an air quality advisory down to the south and west. Mainly that fire in Salmon, Idaho, really blowing a lot of smoke all around this area and actually catching some smoke up into Montana. That smoke from that fire you saw yesterday on the satellite image I popped up blew all the way up into Montana, caught the low pressure system that was moving across the state and was carried all throughout northeast Montana as well. So quite a bit of a visibility issue up there, but nevertheless down to the south and east, pink shade indicating a fire weather warning as well. Speaking of the wind, we're going to see the wind really pick up and become pretty moderate throughout the midpoint of your day into your afternoon. Maybe a few areas of gusty winds up along the high line, but not nearly as much as we saw yesterday or even Monday. Monday was really windy and actually helped to advance some of the fire conditions down in southwestern Montana. But overall, going to see moderate winds throughout the next day to day and a half. Should pretty much dissipate by your Friday. Friday should be fairly calm atmospherically. But moving forward, see those winds really start to die Thursday evening into the overnight hours, maybe along the high line spots areas to the northeast, but overall Friday going to be calm wind-wise. And here's your future track. Zooming out, I'm going to take a wider look here at the future track just to see where the moisture's at. You're wondering if anybody around us is getting some moisture. Actually going to see more of the moisture on Friday, actually pushing, looks like it'll push more to the north and east than the models originally showed yesterday and into this morning. But you can see, as for today, calm, collected, and clear. CCC here, calm, collected, and clear here in Montana. Triple C's will stick around for the next few days and into the weekend as well before a slight cold front moves through. You'll see in just a moment. But overall, your moisture pattern, maybe see a few drops of rainfall through south central Montana all the way to the eastern side of the state on Saturday, but really not much as well. On into your weekend, it looks mainly clear. A few batches of rainfall on the high line, but most of that moisture sticking to the north of our border up to Canada there. But on into next week, we may see some slight rainfall through the midpoint of your week, but still up in the air being so far away on the models as well. But overall, moving forward, notice the pattern, like I mentioned, definitely going to be sunshine across the state. Clear skies today, temperatures in the upper 80s, low 90s, but tomorrow we warm up a little bit into the mid 90s. But sunshine still sticking around, mostly sunny to clear skies. And then this right here is the cold front I was referring to moments ago. Low pressure system here, going to move off down to the east, maybe east-southeast, but most likely going to shift up to the northern portion of the state along the high line, more towards the eastward trajectory. Far northern parts of the state going to see this cold front and associated moisture rather. Helena going to be pretty much dry moving forward over the next few days. Great Falls may catch a few drops from this system, most likely going to be a little bit smaller in duration and size. On into your Saturday, we see cooler temperatures into the upper, maybe even the mid 80s in central Montana, Lewistown, Roundup, maybe catching a few showers, but overall dry once again. Dry, sunny, and then you got the triple C's, calm, clear, collected here in Montana. But taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we're going to see those temperatures take a slight drop today as far as high temperatures are concerned into the upper 80s, but then they warm up tomorrow into the mid 90s here in central Montana. Then that cold front moves through. You can see the difference there. About 94 for your high on Thursday in Great Falls, up to about 79 on Friday. But then moving forward, notice the pattern definitely becomes clear.